Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix low volume problem on Samsung S25 Edge. So first, check and adjust the volume settings. So press the volume up first and make sure that it's set fully up. And if any of those settings, let me show you the sound settings. So go to sound and vibration and now volume, and here if any of them are too low, then increase them to the max level or the medium level, like 50-50, or simply at max. Now if you're noticing low volume still, then check if the Bluetooth is connected, because sometimes Bluetooth can automatically route your audio through headphones or a Bluetooth speaker, and it's easy to overlook. So especially if you've connected wireless audio devices before to the phone, then go over the settings, go to connections and Bluetooth. Let me show you. Go to connections, Bluetooth, and make sure that Bluetooth is either disabled or no devices are connected. So now, if that's not the issue, then go over and turn off the do not disturb mode. Go to notifications, here click do not disturb, and make sure that do not disturb here is disabled. Now what you guys can do is also go back to sounds and vibration and make sure that it's set to sound, not mute or vibrate. And now test it with different apps like Spotify, YouTube, Netflix, or phone calls, because there might be an app specific volume issue. So open the app where you're noticing low volume and check its volume controls. Some apps have their own internal volume sliders separate from the system volume, for example Netflix, and then clear the app cache. If an app seems to be causing issue, then it might have some cache data interfering with the sound. So go to settings, scroll down until you see apps. Now here, search for an app, for example Chrome, and now go over and go to storage. Here click clear cache, and as you guys can see, now the cache is fully cleared. So if this didn't help you, then clean your speakers, the grills, because sometimes they can get clogged with dust, lint, or other debris, which can muffle or completely lower the sound. So you might not notice it until the sound starts to sound muffled or low. So use a soft cloth, a toothpick, or compressed air to clean the speaker holes, and be careful not to push anything aside. Just gently clean it around the edges. Now if this didn't help you, then you may want to update your software, because software updates can fix bugs that might be affecting your sound output. And sometimes updates include fixes for the sound related issues, so it's definitely worth checking. So go over the settings. Now here, scroll a bit down until you see software update, and now click download and install, and make sure that you're running the latest version of the software like me. Now if there's an update available, then download and install it, and once updated, check if the volume is resolved. So if nothing works, then factory reset can often clear up those deeper software issues that might be affecting the sound. So first, back up all your data before doing it, because a factory reset will erase everything on your phone. Now here, go over to about phone, here scroll down until you guys see reset, and here click factory data reset. So now scroll down, click reset, enter the password if you have one, and then click delete all. So if none of that worked, then what you guys can do is contact Samsung support or visit the service center for a deeper diagnosis, and that would be it. So thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.